Dear students, we are going to discuss the quadrature amplitude modulation. The topic is of Unit 5 and it is important from the point of view of the examination. So please try to understand it, that how we have drawn the waveform for the translation of 0 and 1 bit sequences. So here we see that whatever the sequence has been given for the translation, as per the combinations of those bits, we divide that bit sequence into the either in the 3-bit combination or the 4-bit combination or the 5-bit combination as we want. But in the example we have taken the translation of the 0 and 1 bit sequence by making the group of 3 bits. So when we make the group of 3 bits, so 2 to the power 3 bit, 8 combinations become there. So we are having 8 combinations: 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. Here 8-bit combinations can be achieved by having 4 phases and 2 amplitudes variations. So we'll take the 2 variations and the 4 phases. We'll draw the constellation diagram. Here we have drawn X and Y diagram, and here we have drawn the phasor diagram. Here we have taken the table. Here we have taken the sequence which we want to transmit, and here we have converted this sequence into the QAM form. So let us see that on this constellation diagram we are taking 0 degree phase shift, 90 degree phase shift, 180 degree phase shift and 270 degree phase shift. Here on this phases we are having 2 amplitudes, A2 and A1, A2 and A1, A2 and A1, A2 and A1. A2 is the smaller amplitude and A1 is the larger amplitudes. So 2 amplitudes we are using and 4 phases we are using. That's why it is the combination of phase shift keying and the amplitude shift keying. So here we have drawn the we have labeled the combinations 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 7. For our easiness, this combination, this constellation diagram, we have converted in the table. Here what we see, this 0 and 1, these are the states: 0 state, 1 state, 2 state, 3 state, 4 state, 5 state, 6 state, 7 states. That's why we have taken 0 state, 1 state, 2 state, 3 state, 4 state, 5 state, 6 state, 7 states. Likewise, we have made the combination 0 states: 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. Next is 0 1 0, next is 0 1 1, next is 1 0 0 1 0 1 and 1 1 0 1 1 1. If you see, if you match this table to this diagram, we'll get this, that 0 state is corresponding to 0 degree phase shift, 1 is also corresponding to 0 degree phase shift, 2 is corresponding to 90 degree phase shift, 3 is corresponding to again 90 degree phase shift, 4 180 degree phase shift, 5 again 180 degree phase shift, 6 is 270 degree phase shift, and 7 is 270 degree phase shift, whereas their amplitudes are written against them. That is, 0 will have A2 amplitudes and 1 will have A1 amplitudes. So likewise, alternative we are having A2 A1 A2 A1 A2 A1 A2 A1. So match this table with this constellation diagram, will have the same states. So we'll start the waveform for this 0 0 combination at 0 degree, and again for 1 it will also start from 0 degree, and for 2 it will start at 90 degree and end it at 90 degree. So we'll take 2 complete cycles to represent these states during the 3-bit duration. So we'll see this, will take the help of this diagram, that is phasor diagram here in 5a. So let us see the sequence 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1. We had taken this sequence. Now we divide it into the group of 3 bits 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1. Likewise, for this duration we will have complete demarcations lines we have drawn. So this 3-bit durations can be completed within this demarcation line, and this will have this duration up next demarcation line, and this is the next demarcation line, and this is the next demarcation line. So let us see this 0 0 0 will take the 2 complete cycles of sine wave or cosine wave, whatever it is. So but we'll start where this 0-bit combination will be starting 0 state. So this is corresponding to 0 0 0 0 state, and it is starting at 0 degree, so it has started at 0 degree, and we have taken 2 cycles. One complete cycle has finished here, another complete cycle has finished here, but it is having A2 amplitudes. That's why it is limited between A2 and minus A2. Now you take another combination, that is 0 1 1. This is 0 1 1. It has started at 90 degree, so it has started at 90 degree. You see, starting at 90 degree, it will take again this cycle up to this place. So this is complete one cycle, another complete cycle we have taken, and this is limited into 0 1 1. If you see, this is limited into plus minus A1, so it has limited plus minus A1. If you see this combination, that is 1 0 0 1 0 0 is this. It has started at 180 degree, so 180 degree will be this, so it will be completed like this one waveform. Again it will be completed like this. So this is one, it has started and it has ended at 180 degree. Again it has started and it has ended at 180 degree. For triple one last stage, we can see it has started at 270 degree, so 270 degrees there. So it will take, this is 1/4 part of this waveform, and again it will go up, so it has gone up and it will end up here, and again it will take another angle, it will end up here. So likewise we are transmitting the sequence of 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1. Likewise, where 2 amplitudes of the waveforms, one amplitude and second amplitude have been used, whereas 4 angles we have used: 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree. Okay. Likewise, this can be made. Thank you very much.